In a world where seamless connectivity defines convenience, Microsoft has finally answered one of the most requested wishes of Windows users: share Bluetooth audio support in Windows 11. Yes, you heard that right. After years of waiting, Windows users can now share a single audio stream between two separate Bluetooth devices, whether they're headphones, speakers, earbuds, or even modern hearing aids. This feature, which has already been a staple on smartphones like Samsung Galaxy and iPhones, is now coming to your PC, making collaborative entertainment and shared experiences easier than ever. Introduced with the latest Windows 11 Insider build 26220.7051, this feature lets two people listen to the same movie, music, or video at the same time, without having to share a single pair of earphones. Imagine you're sitting on a plane, both plugged into your favorite Bluetooth headphones, enjoying the same Netflix series without disturbing anyone around. That's exactly what this new update delivers. Whether you're studying with a partner, co-working on a project, or simply relaxing with your best friend over some tunes, Microsoft's new shared audio mode brings a new layer of flexibility to Windows audio management. However, as exciting as this sounds, there's a small catch that might make some users sigh in disappointment. For now, shared Bluetooth audio support is limited to Copilot PCs powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon X processors. So if you're using a Surface Laptop 7, a Surface Pro 11, or another Snapdragon-based device, congratulations! You can be among the first to experience this cutting-edge feature. But if you're running an Intel or AMD-powered PC, you'll have to wait a bit longer, as Microsoft is actively expanding support to more hardware platforms in the coming months. The company has already confirmed that shared audio is coming soon to Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro, Book 5 360, Book 5 Pro 360, and the Book 4 Edge lineup featuring Intel Core Ultra 200 and Snapdragon X processors. They've also teased compatibility for upcoming Surface Laptop 13-inch and Surface Pro 12-inch devices with Snapdragon chips, showing that Microsoft is clearly betting big on ARM-based computing for the future of Windows. According to the official announcement, users will start noticing a driver update that enables shared audio support, followed by a new shared audio tile in the quick settings panel. Once available, enabling it is as simple as pairing two Bluetooth headphones or speakers, clicking the shared audio tile, selecting the devices you want to share with, and hitting share. That's it. Both listeners will instantly hear the same audio feed, sync perfectly without lag or dropouts. The system takes advantage of Bluetooth LE Audio, the latest standard that offers lower latency, improved audio quality, and higher efficiency compared to traditional Bluetooth connections. This also means that shared audio won't drain your laptop battery as fast, even when streaming to two devices at once. Microsoft notes that the shared audio experience has been optimized for consistent playback, meaning you won't experience desynchronization issues that have plagued similar implementations in older systems. Of course, hardware compatibility plays a huge role here. For now, shared Bluetooth audio in Windows 11 only works with devices that support Bluetooth LE Audio, and that includes some of the latest premium wireless accessories, such as the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, Buds 3, Buds 3 Pro, the Sony WH-1000 XM6, and even select hearing aids from Resound and Beltone that use LE Audio. What's more, this isn't just about personal entertainment. Microsoft also sees potential for accessibility. For users with hearing aids, the ability to share audio between devices means they can participate in shared listening experiences or group sessions more comfortably. It's another small but powerful step toward inclusive computing. Now, some might ask, why is this feature limited to Copilot PCs for now? The reason lies in the hardware. These Snapdragon-powered machines have dedicated audio processing capabilities and AI-enhanced Bluetooth controllers that allow stable dual-stream transmission, something older chips can't handle efficiently without stuttering or audio loss. However, Microsoft has stated that they're working on extending shared audio support to Intel Core Ultra Series 200 devices soon, meaning users of the new Samsung Galaxy Book 5 and Book 4 Edge lines will likely be next in line. Once the required driver update rolls out, Windows Update, which now conveniently uses simplified update names like Driver Update or Feature Update instead of long confusing strings, will make spotting and installing the necessary files much easier. And speaking of updates, This shared audio functionality aligns perfectly with Microsoft's broader push toward making Windows 11 more intelligent, seamless, and user-friendly. With Copilot PCs, Microsoft is heavily integrating AI and modern hardware acceleration into every aspect of Windows, from improved multitasking to audio and visual optimization. The arrival of shared Bluetooth audio proves that the company isn't just... Then, check for updates through Windows Update and install the driver update that enables Bluetooth shared audio. Once done, open your Quick Settings panel by clicking the sound icon in the taskbar, and you'll see a new tile labeled Shared Audio. After pairing your two Bluetooth headphones or speakers, click the tile, select both devices, and hit Share. Within seconds, both devices will be playing the same sound, perfectly synchronized. You can even control volume levels individually if the devices support it. It's incredibly easy, intuitive, and marks a massive step forward for people who share their Windows devices for media playback or collaboration. In the grand scheme of things, shared Bluetooth audio might seem like a small addition compared to massive features like Copilot AI or Windows Recall. But in practice, it's one of those everyday quality of life upgrades that you'll appreciate immediately. It's thoughtful, practical, and fun, and that's what users have been asking Microsoft for years. Features that actually make a difference in how we use our PCs. And for people who love watching movies, listening to music together, or even studying side by side, this could be a game changer. So, what's the bottom line? Shared Bluetooth audio in Windows 11 is finally here, and while it's starting with Snapdragon-powered Copilot PCs, it's only a matter of time before it spreads across more devices. This feature not only makes Windows 11 more social, but also more future-ready, tapping into the power of Bluetooth LE audio to deliver better sound, lower latency, and more efficiency. So if you're one of the lucky users with a Surface Laptop 7, Surface Pro 11, or one of the upcoming Snapdragon X devices, go ahead and give this new feature a try. You might never go back to single headphone listening again. And if you're still waiting for it, don't worry. It's clear that Microsoft's plan is to bring this capability to every modern PC as Bluetooth LE audio becomes standard. Until then, keep your system updated and your eyes on those Windows Insider builds, because this is just the beginning of more exciting updates to come. So, my final recommendation? If you're a tech enthusiast or someone who values immersive and flexible audio experiences, shared Bluetooth audio support is one of those underrated updates that make upgrading to Windows 11 or buying a Copilot PC absolutely worth it. Microsoft is finally listening, and it's refreshing to see. And as always, for the latest and greatest updates in the world of technology, from Windows to AI innovations, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned right here. Because this is TechVerse, where we decode technology so you don't have to.